First schedule is listed under regulation number 3, application. So as listed here, number of premise to which this regulation does not apply. Okay, the first one is processing of oil palm fruit or oil palm fruit bunches into crude palm oil. So anything relate with crude palm oil, so tak perlu menggunakan regulation number 3 tadi, application. Okay, and the same goes to processing of natural rubber. So does not apply under regulation number 3 because natural rubber has its own regulation. Okay, number 3, mining activities. And then number 4, 5 and 6 for mixed effluent less than 60 cubic meters per day. Number 5, for mixed effluent that does not contain oil and grease. And lastly, products or goods where the total load of biochemical oxygen demand or suspended solid or both shall not exceed 6 kg per day. Okay, this is a written notification. So written notification needed in order to inform Director General. Okay, so this is just like kebenaran bertulis. Okay, so anything you must the submission of third schedule to declare that IETS has been designed. Okay, kena inform. Okay, next look at regulation number 4, obligation to notify the Director General. So anything relate to IETS must inform Director General. So any changes, let's say you submit report, tiba-tiba ada buat pengubahsuaian, so you need to inform Director General. Okay, Director General dekat DOE lah, Department of Environment. Okay, as specified in second schedule, within 30 days before the work or construction or upgrading commences. Okay, this is a second schedule. Okay, so notification for new or altered sources. So anything yang kita nak ubah, kena inform. Okay, dalam kebenaran bertulis dan kena submit. Okay, kepada Director General. So second schedule ni just macam borang lah untuk to be submitted. Sorry. Okay, and then monitoring of the discharge of the effluent is required under Regulation 7 of IER, Industrial Effluent Regulation. In order to keep record of the discharge and also submit monthly discharge monitoring report to the DOE on monthly basis. Okay, so the report can be submitted through online environmental report. OER. Okay, ni OER ni boleh dapat di website DOE. So report ni must be submitted monthly basis. Okay, so record report lah semua. Example, okay, this is OER. Okay, online environmental report. So monthly basis, tapi kena buat every week. First week, the sampling, time, temperature, pH, BOD, itu semua kena isi. Okay, sampailah 4th week. Okay, monthly basis. Okay, and then this is a 10th schedule under OER tadi. Okay. So the decision can be arrived by examining the information from several sources, okay, such as the Industrial Effluent Characteristic Study, IECS, the raw material use, the historical data, the data from similar industries operated at some other location. The guide on significance parameter is also given in the guidance document on performance monitoring of IETS. Okay, these are parameter to be monitored based on this factor lah. Okay. So industries are required to operate and maintain their IETS, okay, based on several parameters just now. Okay. Maintaining key parameter relevant to the process within acceptable ranges, okay, as established by sound engineering practice. Regulation number 8. Okay, so regulation number 8 relate to proper operation of IETS. So proper operation of IETS including the chemical must be enough. Okay, and then spare part contohnya pump kena ada. So all the untuk buat IETS tu kena proper operation. Okay. In this regulation, sound engineering practice means the manner by which effluent treatment system is operated where the operational characteristics are maintained within the normal range of values. Okay, and then the requirement of sources to conduct performance monitoring of the IETS is provided in Regulation 9. So they relate. Okay, so performance monitoring is proactive and preventive approach. So dia dah ada backup. Okay, macam tadi, chemical kena cukup, all the spare part, pump kena ada because this is proactive and preventive approach. Okay, the industries need to acquire the relevant equipment to enable their IETS team to perform performance monitoring. Okay, now look at regulation number 9, performance monitoring. Under this regulation, okay, so dia akan buat check up on the report. Okay, so in this regulation, performance monitoring means the routine monitoring of certain characteristics to provide an indication that a treatment process is functional and capable of treating the industrial effluent or mixed effluent. Okay, so the IETS personnel must attend the training program implemented by IMAS. IMAS ni ada DOE, okay, to obtain the acquired knowledge and skills to be certified as competent person. Okay, this is untuk competent person. Okay, for performance to be monitored, kena monitored by competent person. Okay, so competent person ni ada syarat dia lah untuk to be competent. Okay, so if you open the DOE website, dia ada list of competent person. Bukan sebarang orang boleh jadi competent person. Okay. So, okay, enable them to supervise the IETS. So, competent person ni akan supervise the IETS operation and comply with legal requirement as stipulated in Regulation 10 of Industrial Effluent Regulation. Okay, so the industries must have sufficient number of competent person. Okay, so let's say kalau dekat kilang tu ada satu shift, at least kena ada 2 competent person. Kalau seorang tak available, so lagi seorang boleh can be contacted. Okay, because competent person must be able to be contacted at any time. Okay. IETS are generally categorized as biological process or physical process. So kalau nak jadi competent person, either ambil CPXO BP, which is biological process, or CPXO PCP. Okay. So for each, dia ada certain area yang dia akan cover. Okay. So if an IETS has several components that can be categorized as BP and PCP, so the IETS staff must attend both courses. Okay. Next, look at Regulation number 10. Okay, the competent person, as I mentioned before, a competent person shall be any person who has been certified by Director General that is qualified to supervise the operation of an industrial effluent treatment system. Okay, so an owner or occupier of premise shall ensure that a competent person is on duty at any time in the industrial effluent treatment system in the operation. Okay, so kena ada, kalau one shift, must at least 2 competent person.